I'm Matt, this is Grant. We're here at Blue Ridge Overland Gear, and we're gonna take a look at Grant's truck and sort of organize his stuff. So Grant does a lot of camping, traveling out of his truck, so we wanted to kind of take a look at the interior of it, take a look at the stuff that he uses regularly, and put it together and see how we can kind of fit it in there and make it work. So he's got better access, organization's a little cleaner, and things work a little smoother, so it's a little easier when you're traveling. Okay, so we're going to take a look at the underutilized space in the truck, everything from kind of organizing the space that's available, like the console and the glove compartment and door pouches and the visors. And then as we move into the back, we're going to take a look at space behind the seats, potentially some space up in here. We're going to take a look at what's behind the seat here and see where we can kind of fit the normal stuff that you'd want to have and the gear that he's got that he normally takes. So we'll be able to put some safety stuff in, deal with the headrest and that sort of thing, seat panels, you know, all the fun stuff so that we can kind of have our stuff where we want it, where we need it, and where we can get to it easily.
I mean, I'm always clearing limbs with this machete, so I can just grab it real quick. Maybe somehow get this on the back here and just grab it and go.
Okay.
My water bottle, always got to have water.
Right,
Be nice to get this in easy access.
Okay. All right, so we've got our LT Wright machete in there. We need to make sure we get attached.
Machete and Genesis.
Oh, an LT Wright Genesis. So we love LT Wright. Just if you're watching, you should check them out because they make an unbelievably nice machete. Pretty much everybody from the shop has one. Same thing with their knives. We all have a bunch of different ones, but we are LT Wright fans for sure. So we'll make sure that makes it in the truck with easy access. So we're back with Grant's 2017 Tacoma, and we've basically taken it and kind of kitted out the unutilized space so we can organize a little better, get the gear in there a little smoother, make it a little easier access. So let's take a second and check out what's happened. So basically what we've done is we've got the taco tray piece here, obviously underutilized space, being able to drop stuff in your console. Got the 3 pouches inside there so we can kind of put the quick access gear in there, close that up. In the top, we've got the visor panels, so you've got storage space on both sides. Gives you, Velcro to line patches with, a pouch to put stuff on, kind of comes on and off pretty easy if you want to remove it, all that kind of fun stuff. That's what we've got so far on the front.
What's going on back here?
So basically, to start with, we've got a door pouch that drops in the back seat of the back door panel here, and that's a 4x12 pouch. We've got the seat panels here, so you can put different MOLLE pieces on them, organize your stuff. We've got a place for the machete, which I know was a big piece there. So we've got the LT Wright machete on the back here. Same thing, the MOLLE attached LT Wright knife with a little striker extravaganza going on there. Headrest panel with a first aid kit. We've got a headrest panel over here with the 8x4s. So we've got 2 of those on the back. We've got a roll-up dump pouch, so we've got some space for trash and miscellaneous stuff. We've got a water bottle pouch back here, a fire extinguisher pouch. We've got another GP pouch, lots of room to kind of organize stuff. And then in the back here, we've got the attic. And the nice thing about the attic is you can kind of unhook it and drop it behind the headrest here. So you've got people in the back, they're tall, this kind of interferes with. It's easy just to unhook it here and then leave the back clipped and drop it down back there out of the way, or put it up so you can store some stuff in there. And I think that kind of covers the back organization piece here. Well, Grant, thanks for bringing the truck by and letting us kind of work with it. Had a lot of fun kind of rummaging through your gear, honestly. Had a lot of fun with that. Really like how the machete piece came out. That was pretty cool. And yeah, we had a good time kind of organizing stuff and putting it together and kind of finding the space in the truck that kind of makes sense to get use out of it on the trail and in the woods and stuff like that. So thanks for stopping by.